In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Klarna payments on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your Shopify admin to find Klarna and check whether it's available for your business. Klarna is popular because it lets customers pay now or split their purchases into installments, which can boost conversion and average order value. Before we start, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin and that you know which country your store operates in, since Klarna availability depends on your region and currency. Start on your Shopify admin home. Look to the lower left corner and open Settings. This is your control center for store-wide configuration, and it's where Shopify keeps all payment settings. If you manage multiple staff accounts, ensure you have the proper permissions, since only users with the right access can change payment providers. Inside Settings, select Payments. This page shows your current payment setup and any providers you've already connected. It's also where you can explore third-party options like Klarna. Take a moment to scan the sections here so you're familiar with what's active versus what's available to add. Next, find the option to add a third-party payment provider and click Choose a Provider. This opens Shopify's list of supported processors. The list is dynamic, meaning it changes based on your store's country and other settings. That's why some merchants see Klarna immediately, while others won't. Availability truly depends on your country. Shopify tailors the provider catalog to your legal business location, supported currencies, and market setup. If Klarna isn't shown, it typically means it's not available for your current configuration. In that case, review Klarna's supported regions on their public site and confirm that your store's address, currency, and markets match a supported setup. If everything lines up and you still don't see Klarna, it can help to revisit your store details in settings to ensure they accurately reflect your operating region. In the provider search box, simply type Klarna. That narrows the list to any Klarna options available to you, such as Klarna Payments or Klarna Pay Later, depending on your region. Look for the option that matches where you sell and the experience you want to offer. If a Klarna result appears, you're on the right track. That indicates Shopify supports it for your store configuration. From here, Shopify will guide you through the on-screen prompts specific to Klarna. Take a moment to review any fees, terms, and regional policies so you understand how payouts and customer financing work. Once Klarna is connected, your customers will see it during checkout whenever their order, location, and currency qualify. And that's all you need to find and enable Klarna within your Shopify payment settings.